Hey my awesome friends, thank you for clicking on this video. I thought I would do something completely different today and show you what our life is like living on a ranch slash farm and taking care of 420 plus animals a day. It's a lot of work. We love working as a family and making a difference in their lives. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tara. I have a little boy named Slade and my husband's name is Skylar. Welcome to a day in our life.
Your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke.
I'm going to be making 3 separate videos to capture feeding everyone so the videos don't end up being super long. So I hope you enjoy our day on the ranch.
We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
I feel so blessed to be able to raise my little boy on a ranch because he gets to learn to work as a very little kid and he's exposed to so many different things. I love that he's learning to appreciate animals, nature, and life, and that every living thing deserves respect and love.
We can pretend that time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford. Put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind.
These are all of the male elk that live on the ranch, and they like to live in herds. The male elk are also known as bull elk. On average, elk will measure 4 to 5 feet from their hoofs to their shoulders, and they can weigh anywhere from 325 up to 1,100 pounds. Only male elk have antlers, while females don't, and they can get up to 4 feet in height and they can weigh up to 40 pounds, so they're very, very large. I forgot to mention that elk will grow a new set of antlers every year, and their new antlers, as you can see in this video, they have a velvet over them, which means they're just soft, and once the velvet pulls away, the antlers will become a solid bone, and then the elk will go through their breeding season starting from mid-August into September. So they will keep their antlers all the way through that year, and then the spring of the following year, around March or April, their testosterone level will drop and their antlers will fall off. People also call that shedding. Their antlers will shed off, so that's what that means.
Put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be.
I should also mention that elk are normally very, very scared of people in the wild, where these elk have been around us for many years and they've gotten used to us, but there's only a few that will come up to us. Most of them stay right away and they don't want anything to do with people unless you're giving them food.
With the lights on.
This is the supplement we give to our bulls. It's got a lot of different goodies in it. There's grains and supplementations for minerals to help their coats. It helps their antler growth, because right now they're using a lot of energies going into these horns. So this gives them a little extra boost.
Dad, you get a little bit.
And they love it.
Dad, you get me a little bit of this red bucket.
Yep, these horns are filled with blood right now. They're really sensitive, kind of squishy. They'll grow 3 inches a day at their peak. So pretty incredible. It's just real fuzzy, like velvet. They call it velvet, and it kind of feels like velvet. So anyway,
Dad,
pretty cool.
you get a little.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard.
Stay here by Dad. Look what Mom's doing. She's loading. Andy, here. She's loading up our supplements for our cows.
Your guard down, and I said.
And if any of you watching this lives on a ranch or has worked on a ranch, you would know the protocol for gates, and whoever is riding in shotgun or the passenger side gets to open and close all of those gates. So that was my job today. Accidents do happen and fairly often, and this was one today, so we'll get this cleaned up and get back to work.
You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limits.
Here are our female elk, and they're known as cow elk, and they will start having babies towards the end of May into the first part of June. And this little guy was born last week, and they will weigh approximately 35 pounds and can get up and stand 20 minutes after being born. So that was our routine in giving the elk their supplements, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll be taking you through my routine of feeding our horses, my chickens, and our rescue dogs. So please like and subscribe to our channel, it would mean the world, and we'll see you in the next one.